Solana value equivalent to 351.53 rands a coin. The present cost range 3.22062 3.380.97. The earlier day close 3.250.26. The change was plus 101.27, plus 3.12%. Reverse rate ZAR to SOL. Solana cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 29.62 rands. Excessive cost 3.677, while low cost 29.62. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.259. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 3.1436. Change for July 16%. Solana figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 3.436 rands. Excessive cost 4.265, while low cost 3.436. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.781. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 3.986. Change for August 16%. Solana cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 3.986 rands. Excessive cost 49.48, while low cost 3.986. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.386. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 40.1624. Change for September 16%. Solana figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at 40.624 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.367, while low cost 40.1624. The found the middle value of cost 40.908. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 5,016. Change for October 8.5%. Solana cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at 5.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.16, while low cost 4.112. The found the middle value of cost 40.1641. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 44.21. Change for November 11.9%. Solana gauge for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 44.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.4.87, while low cost 44.21. The found the middle value of cost 4.864. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 5.128. Change for December 16%. Solana cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 5.128 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.128, while low cost 4.112. The found the middle value of cost 4.697. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 44.21. Change for January 13.8%. Solana estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at 44.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 46.75, while low cost 14.63. The found the middle value of cost 4.382. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 4.369. Change for February 1.2%. Solana cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 4.369 rands. Excessive cost 5.156, while low cost 4.369. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.678. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 48.19. Change for spring 10.3%. Solana conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 48.19 rands. Excessive cost 48.61, while low cost 42.25. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 40.612. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 45.43. Change for April 5.7%. Solana cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 4.543 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.688, while low cost 4.74. They found the middle value of cost 44.22. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 4.381. Change for May 3.6%. Solana estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 4.381 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.438, while low cost 4.381. They found the middle value of cost 40.1821. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 5,082. Change for June 16%. Solana cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 5,082 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.5024, while low cost 4.802. They found the middle value of cost 5.143. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 5.163. Change for July 16%. Solana estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at 5,163 rands. Exorbitant cost 5,6013, while low cost 48,79. Found the middle value of cost 5,225. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 5,246. Change for August 16%. Solana cost expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 5,246 rands. Excessive cost 5,553, while low cost 48 to 27. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,204. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 5,190. Change for September 1%. Solana estimate for October 2025. To start with, cost at 5,190 rands. Exorbitant cost 6,224, while low cost 5,190. Found the middle value of cost 5,605. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 5,817. Change for October 1%. Solana cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at 5,817 rands. Excessive cost 63.24, while low cost 5,496. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,887. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 5,910. Change for November 16%. Solana conjecture for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 5,910 rands. Excessive cost 7,336, while low cost 5,910. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 16,503. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 6,856. Change for December 16%. Solana cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 6,856 rands. Excessive cost 7,454, while low cost 6,478. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,939. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 6,966. Change for January 16%. Solana conjecture for February 2026. At the outset, cost at 69.66 rands. Excessive cost 75.72, while low cost 6,582. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,049. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 70.77. Change for February 16%. Solana cost expectation for WARC 2026. Initially cost at 70.77 rands. Excessive cost 76.93, while low cost 16,687. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 71.62. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 71.90. Change for spring 16%. Solana figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 70.90 rands. Excessive cost 89.24, while low cost 71.90. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 79.11. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 83.40. Change for April